There are regular days and some days are not regular. There are regular seasonings, but some are better than others. But before you think this is merely about regular things and better things, I can assure you it is more than that. Because the journey is just about to begin. Cover it. Everyone thought this was about oil or the fact that it could fry things. But tomatoes is better than oil. Because in the end we could call it tomatoes too. We cannot call it oils too. Never. But there are things better than tomatoes. Things we are yet to see. Things no one can speak about. Only whispered in sacred places. But because we added meat, everyone thought surely meat must be the best. But we added onions to meat. And you cannot be the best if something is added to you. And that was the rule of the competition. Rules that can never be broken. So we added roasted fish and carrots and green peppers and crayfish just to set the record straight. But we are yet to announce the best in this competition. It started with regular spices and better spices. There were days of oil and tomatoes and ground tomatoes until we welcomed the meat. Cover it, uncover it. After thorough consideration, we thought about meat. But meat did not meet the requirements. So we required other contestants. But what do you see? What does the people want? What can they want? Cover it. The people wanted food. They said food is better than meat. It has been 32 market days. And we continue to wonder whether the people answered the question or they were merely confused by food.